what's going on, guys? We're back. Today we're working on the Eclipse again. We got some more goodies to put on it. We are going to do a small battery kit from STM. See, I've already got it out, started putting it together. I don't have instructions, so I'm really just going to play all of this by ear. But as you can see, the battery I have right now, well, it looks like shit. It's dirty, it's old, it won't hold a charge, and frankly, I could use the extra room for my fuel pressure regulator and a catch can. So, yeah, we're going to rip it out. So to get started, we just got to pull all the bolts first. As always, take off the negative terminal so that way it's no longer hot. So I got the battery out. Next I gotta just get the tray out of the way, and then we'll see what I have to do next. And I want to note, you don't actually have to bend this piece. I just did to get it out of the way, but you don't have to do that. It's so hot. Anyway, so I finally got everything out, including the charcoal canister. I'm gonna figure out how to figure out how I have to delete that later, since that's not gonna fit back in there. But halfway there. So getting the battery buttoned up to get on there, and I have to put the terminals on. As you can see, it's pretty simple. There's an Allen head down there. It's a 5, I believe. Just goes on. Stick it through the top, turn it, you'll feel it grab. There we go. Ta-da. Alright, so I went through and I cleaned it up a little bit because that was really fucking terrible. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna figure out what to do with that, but let's mount this thing. Alright, so everything is in there. As you can see, the battery's in, everything's tightened down. So we're going to do the first start with it. Make sure that that little battery actually can start this thing. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.